Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Dani. In today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to knit buttonholes. In this case, for this beautiful cardigan that I made, I wanted to have buttons, so I'm gonna show you how I make these buttonholes. The way we are doing them is back and forth in the ribbon part, and think as the ribbon that we have been working like this back and forth, and then at some point we decide that we are making a space, a hole in here for the button, so we work like this. So yeah, let me show you how I did it. I'm gonna show you two different methods. In here I have the ribbon and I'm going to make two buttonholes in here to show you. So we work the ribbon as established in the pattern, can be knit one, purl one. And when we get to the point where we want to make the first buttonhole, I'm going to be working in here with these 3 stitches. And this method is very targeted to bulky or super bulky weight yarn, where you only need to cast off 2 or 1 stitch. So what we're gonna do is bring 1 stitch, the second last stitch, over the last one and off the needle. And then one more time, the second one will be over the last one and off the needles, as if we just cast off or bind off 2 stitches. Now we need to recover those 2 stitches. We can't just not have them. So we're going to cast on again 2 stitches on the right needle. And this is the way that I'm going to cast on my 2 stitches. I'm gonna grab my yarn just like this. We're gonna wrap it around and insert your right needle from under, and I'm going to cast on 1 stitch. Do that again because we cast off 2 stitches, so we need to recover those 2 stitches. And now we can continue knitting the pattern as indicated. So the next stitch would be a knit stitch, and I go knit, purl, knit, purl. I'm gonna show you again one more time. This method, again, it's very targeted to bulky and super bulky weight yarn because we're only casting off 2 stitches. So you can use this method if you need 2 or 1 stitch. And then after, I'm gonna show you a method that's more universal, let's say. Okay, so I have the first one. I'm gonna show you one more time. The second last stitch, we're going to pass it over the last one and off the needle. Okay, so grab it, pass it over and off the needle, and then the one behind again. So this method, it's kind of like stretching that last stitch and off the needle. So in here we have the 2 stitches cast off. We need to recover those 2 stitches, so we're going to cast on 2 new stitches on the right needle. Wrap the yarn around like this. Again, I'm gonna show you slow. Wrap the yarn around like this. Insert your needle from behind. Oops. And we cast on 1 and repeat 2. And now continue with your pattern as indicated. Then in the next row, you will work your ribbon as indicated again, knit 1, purl 1, and so on. Now I want to show you this next method that, again, it is easier for all types of yarn. So in here I'm just knitting and purling just to show you how that buttonhole looks like. But yeah, the next method, it's more universal. So if you're using thinner yarn or if you need to cast off more than 2 stitches, this next method is for you. Because this method, like I said, it's almost like we're stretching that last stitch. The next method, it's like we are creating just a chain almost, and you can cast off as many stitches as you want and it's not gonna look, again, like a stretch stitch. Okay, so let's do the next method. I'm going to do knit, purl, and in here I get to the middle where I want my buttonhole. And in this case, I'm going to be using a crochet hook to help get this stitch. It's just so much easier. I 100% recommend using a crochet hook for this one. So in here, instead of passing that last stitch over and off the needle, we're going to insert our hook in the middle, like through the last stitch. And then you're going to grab the second last stitch, just like this, and you're gonna pass it through the last stitch. And you're gonna let the last stitch off the needle and go. Boop. Now put the stitch back on your left needle and do that again. Pass your hook through the middle, grab the second last stitch and pass it through the last stitch and let that go. Now put it back on your needle, and you're gonna do this as many stitches as you need to cast off. If you want your buttonhole wider, or again, if you're using a thinner yarn, you might need more than 2-3 stitches to be cast off. So you will do as many as you need. And again, as you can see in here, we're not stretching the last stitch. We are creating like a regular bind off, basically like a chain in here. But because I did cast off in here 3 stitches, again, I need to recover those 3 stitches. So I'm going to cast on my right needle 3 stitches. And you need to do these on all cases. No matter how many stitches you cast off, you need to recover them, so then you can create that like space or eyelet space, the buttonhole. So you can continue knitting your ribbon as established in the pattern. So in here, I'm just gonna go knit, purl again, and then in the next row, you just continue knitting your ribbon as established in your pattern. So yeah, those are the 2 ways that are to make the buttonholes that I really like. The one I used in the pattern is the first one because I just cast off 2 stitches. So that one is just quicker and it just looks really nice. It looks really clean and is perfect for the buttons that I'm using in these patterns. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick video. And again, I will leave this pattern in the description below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial or vlog. Bye everyone.